Yo, what's up everyone? It's Fiscal Financing here to talk about 5 money mistakes that can absolutely wreck your financial future if you're not careful. If you're in your 20s and think you have time to figure out money, think again, because most people don't realize they've made these 5 financial mistakes until they're 35 and wondering what went wrong. Stay with me, because mistake number 5, that one could cost you hundreds of thousands of dollars. We've all been there. I'll just put it on my credit card and pay it off next month. Sound familiar? The problem is, next month always comes, and those charges add up fast. The average American carries $6,000 in credit card debt, all from small indulgences that seem harmless at the time. You gotta play the long game here, which means living within your means and following the 50/30/20 rule. That's 50% of your income for essentials like rent and groceries, 30% for fun, and 20% for saving and investing. The easiest way to stick to this? Set up automatic transfers. If you don't see it, you won't spend it. But even if you save, mistake number 2 could keep you broke. So keep watching. A lot of people think, I'll invest when I make more money, but let me tell you, time is more valuable than money when it comes to investing. And here's why. If you start investing just $200 a month at 22, you'll have over $500,000 by the time you're 60. That's the power of compound interest. But if you wait until 32, you'll have less than $250,000. That's the same amount invested, but with 10 fewer years for your money to grow. So start small. Even with just $5, apps like Robinhood or Acorns make it crazy easy to get started. You'll thank yourself later. Now, even with good investments, mistake number 3 could wipe you out. Chapter 3. Here's the thing. Most Americans face 2 major financial emergencies every single decade. That's life. It happens. But if you lose your job and you're relying on just one income stream, you're toast. That's why it's so critical to build multiple income streams. Freelancing, starting a side hustle, monetizing a skill. These are all ways to create more financial security and build wealth faster. More income equals more security and faster wealth building. But mistake number 4 is what silently drains your money, so stay tuned. Chapter 4. Quick question. Do you know how much you spent last month? Be honest, most people don't, and that's a huge reason why they struggle financially. The solution is simple. Track your spending. Apps like Mint or YNAB make it so easy to see exactly where your money's going. Trust me, when you see it in black and white, you'll be shocked, and you'll be motivated to fix those leaks fast. But even with a solid budget, mistake number 5 could absolutely ruin you. Chapter 5. Look, life happens. Layoffs, medical bills, car repairs, they're all part of the game and they usually come at the worst possible time. Without an emergency fund, you'll be forced to turn to credit cards when these unexpected expenses pop up, and that's how the debt spiral begins. So here's the fix. Save 3 to 6 months of expenses in a separate account that you don't touch. It's not exciting, but it's your financial safety net. Most people don't realize they've made these mistakes until it's too late. But you have a chance to fix them now, and the sooner you start, the faster you'll build real lasting wealth. The secret? Compound interest. Start early, stay consistent, and your money will grow exponentially. Watch my next video on the power of compounding. It's the key to financial freedom. If you got value from this video, hit like and subscribe for more wealth building content. And don't forget, watch the video on the power of compounding next. That's where the real magic happens.